Session 9. Pet family. Pet at the vet. My pet is sick. I took my pet to the vet. Is she better yet? I said. The vet said, not yet. Do not let your pet get wet. Okay, I will not let my pet get wet, I said. Then she will get better soon, said the vet. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. What is wrong with her pet? Question 2. To whom did she take her pet? Question 3. What did the vet say? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share World Pointer.